Welcome to Candlestick Cash. I'm looking at the short side of INOD. Now, this isn't really a trade idea. I more just want to show you the ADX and how I use that as just another technical factor. So, as you can see, INOD has been on this run all year in 2023. The bottom was around $3. We got up to about $15, 400%. So it had a 400% run before finally collapsing with three very large weekly candles. It's down about 50% off its high. So why might it possibly be going a bit lower? Well, I'm going to actually switch to the daily here. Let's switch to the daily and I can show you what I'm looking at with the ADX. So you can see there's a little bit of green. We're breaking under the 200 simple moving average, the red line. And the ADX just tells you when there's a strong trend. It could be an uptrend or a downtrend. So notice, and by the way, the ADX, you're looking for 25 plus to be in trend. You see the trend is down, so this red line here, look on the left side, it'll tell you what the ADX is. Right now the ADX is 30.09. So that is over 25, so that means we are in a strong downtrend on the daily. And so one way to use this is just as long as you stay over 25, you're still in this strong downtrend. The day you began this strong downtrend was September 15th, with this breaking under the 200. So of course you could have gone short that day or the next day, any of these days. But go for your own candle trigger. You could short right off the 200 or what have you. But we're in a strong downtrend right now. So that's how I would use the ADX. It's only one factor of many. I'm not sure if this is a good short or a good long. I always like to look at the counter argument. Let me go back to 1 week. Now the candles are showing 3 black crows, those 3 big red candles, so that's a bearish sign. But you do have the 50, this blue line is the 50 weekly SMA. Maybe we'll find some support off that, around $7.50. And we're still in an uptrend. If you look at the ADX on the weekly, we're still in an uptrend. We're still around 44, 45. Now it's starting to come down a bit, but that's well above 25. So if you're looking as a long-term investor, you can feel pretty good because it's still well above that 25. That means you're in a strong uptrend in the long term. Not a surprise because remember it went up 400%, 400% in a year. So you could even have a 50% drawdown like now and still be in a strong uptrend. Now, I generally look at the daily because I'm a little shorter term trader for something like this, but that's why trading is such an individual thing, right? It depends on your time frame and all that. Anyway, this is Brian with Candlestick Cash.